Hello, Chef here once again, getting ready to use this awesome titanium knife. This knife's been used already for like 10 years. It's been a pretty good little knife. I do notice it's getting a little bit of scratches, a couple abrasions, and the edge is starting to lose its sharpness. So I've got the clip. The clip is all you need. The clip goes right over the knife like this, doesn't scratch it. The clip gives you the perfect angle. Gives you the perfect angle for sharpening. So here we go, just like this. And you repeat. Makes sense, right? The clip provides a perfect V for the bottom of the knife. Works on virtually any knife. That's what you need right there, besides a good quality honing stone. This is made in Japan 3000, and I'm going to be switching after that to an 8000. You can see that these babies are kind of dirty, so we're going to be using the little cleaning stone to give them a quick cleaning. And well, it's pretty easy. Just follow along and I'll show you what I'm up to here. Okay, so the stone gets put in the base. I made the base to fit my sink. You can make one too, not that hard to make. Make it so that your stone sits right in there, okay? Little splash of water, get the water going on here. And this is the cleaning stone. This little baby here's got all the good stuff on it. So you just rub your stone back and forth like this, and flatten it out, clean it off, okay, until it looks new again. Okay, there we go. That baby's clean and it's ready to go. A little more water, that's all I need, I'm ready to go. No messing around, no soaking it, no massaging it, no playing with it, no magic rubbing, hocus pocus. A little water, it's clean, I'm ready to go. Guide clip on the knife, and we use the guide clip mainly for the angle, and we're going from the heel to the tip. And repeat the opposite side. Okay, I'm all done. Done with this stone. I'm going to keep the clip on there. I'm going to switch stones, leave that one down there, I'm going to clean it. This stone here is my 8000. This stone doesn't quite fit in the jig, so what do? You cut a piece of scrap wood and you add the wood. Now it fits really, really nice. Once again, the cleaning stone. Just like that. Not much to it, right? It's clean, it's flat, it's looking good. Yeah, I'm all done. I give it a little rinse. Once again, no hocus pocus, no massaging, no soaking, no manipulating, no magic to the stone. It's just wet. The knife goes back on, clip is in place, from the heel to the tip. And repeat, other side. I'm going to do it once more. Aha! I'm all done. Clip comes off. Rinse off these stones. Okay, what do we got here? Some newspaper. The soft stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 and a half. There's approximately 20 layers of paper here. Okay? Let's see if this knife is sharp. The camera's still running. No hocus pocus over here. Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. So you can see that knife's pretty sharp. One more little test I like to do is kind of a S. Yep. You can do a S on paper with your knife. It's sharp. I could probably shave my legs or my back or one of the ladies. Yeah. Or at least cut an apple really thin. Smash some garlic, julienne onion. Maybe work on some salad and some steaks. This knife's good to go. One of the things I like about this knife, by the way, is the fact it's titanium. It's non-reactive. It doesn't stick to anything. It glides through food, and I like that. So check it out. Score it at your sponsor right there, as well as the clips. The guide clips, they're only like $10. You get a set of them. Sharpening stones, titanium knives, cutting boards, butcher blocks, you name it. They got it all in stock at your sponsor. And make sure to click that little like button. Helps people find the videos, shows us that you like the videos, and we can keep them going. All right, with that, I'm going to leave you. Get cooking. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Edible art. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food-safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff, and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best peppermill you can buy because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain. Love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. So the salad now is tossed with a vinaigrette. I've got the lettuce as the base. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. And grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. search the channel. Just put in chicken recipes, barbecue sauce, all kinds of different chicken dishes going on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax.
Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.